The next type of linear wave shaping circuit is RC high-pass circuit. RC high-pass circuit. So this is the circuit diagram of RC high-pass circuit, which is comprising of a capacitor and resistor. The difference between the before RC low-pass circuit and high-pass circuit is, in low-pass circuit, if you observe the low-pass circuit, input is given to the resistor, output is collected across the capacitor. In case of RC high-pass circuit, input is given to the capacitor and output is collected across the resistor. Output is collected across the resistor. Okay. Now again, linear wave shaping. Linear wave shaping means the shape of the non-sinusoidal signal will changes when it is passed through a linear network. Here also we will take the square wave as the input signal, and for different time constants, for RC for less than t, RC equal to t, and for RC for greater than t, we will obtain three output wave shapes. Okay, now we will verify how these wave shapes are obtaining. Again the same input signal with peak to peak amplitude 2 volts and input signal frequency is 1 kilohertz. 1 kilohertz, that means time period, input signal time period is 1 millisecond. 1 millisecond. Now again I am connecting the resistor. In this case input is given to the capacitor. Circuit, just we are reversing the connections, resistor and capacitor connections here. I had reversed the connections, resistor capacitor connections. Here if you observe, the input square wave is given to the capacitor and output we are taking across the resistor. Okay. Now you can observe the output. Output signal. This is the input signal square wave and this is the output signal which is obtaining when RC time constant is for less than t. In this case RC time constant is for less than c. Why? Because here the resistor value we had taken is 1 kilo ohm and capacitor is 0.1 microfarad. Again resistor 1 kilo ohm, capacitor 0.1 microfarad. RC time constant is 0.1 millisecond and time period t is equal to, time period t we had taken is the 1 millisecond. So RC is for less than t. So when RC is for less than t, the output wave shape obtained is like this. And here this particular output, these are called spikes, and in this particular output is called the differentiator circuit. In this case the RC high pass circuit is called as differentiator circuit. Why? Because here you can observe here the amplitude is doubled. In this case the amplitude, the peak to peak amplitude of the output signal is double the input signal. So this is the peak to peak value of the amplitude of the output signal is double than the input signal. And this particular output if you observe here, it is having the amplitude which is very large but only for a small duration. Amplitude large but only small duration, and for remaining duration the amplitude is 0. So this type of waveforms or this type of spikes, we can say these type of spikes are used for triggering applications, to trigger the monostable multivibrator or to trigger the bistable multivibrator circuits. So you have to remember carefully differentiator means, if we are giving a square wave as input to the differentiator means RC high pass circuit. If RC high pass circuit is acting as differentiator means the output will be like this, spikes will be produced like this. These spikes are used for triggering applications of multivibrator circuits. And in the next case I am going to change the value of resistor again. Now the value of resistor I am taking here is 10 kilo ohm. 10 kilo ohm means here again R is 10 kilo ohm, resistor 10 kilo ohm, C is capacitor is 0.1 microfarad, RC time constant is 1 millisecond and the time period of the input signal T is 1 millisecond. So in this case RC is equal to T. In this case if you observe the output, this is the output. So you can observe this is the output waveform. So here the output obtained is like this. The output obtained is like this. Okay, why? Because in this particular, when the input signal is rising, at this time period, capacitor will start slowly charging. As the capacitor charges, voltage across resistor will slowly decreases. Like this. Again, at this time period, input signal is falling. So voltage across resistor will also falls by the same amount of input signal. Same amount of input signal. Okay. So the output wave shape will be like this. So I will show you only the output waveform. So you can see here, this is the output waveform. In the previous case also, I will show you the output waveform only. So you can observe, this is the output wave shape. Of an RC high pass circuit when RC far less than T. Output wave shape will be like this. And in the last condition is RC far greater than T. In this case, the resistor value we had chosen is 100 kilo ohms. So 100 kilo ohms, resistor R is 100 kilo ohms, C is equal to 0.1 microfarad, RC is equal to 10 millisecond. And time period T is, input signal time period is 1 millisecond. So RC is far greater than T. In this case, you can observe, the output is very similar to the input. So you can observe input and output waveform. The output is approximately equal to the input signal. So this is the output waveform. Which is approximately equal to the input signal. Okay. So the main things here you have to remember is, for an RC high pass circuit, when RC far greater than T, output is approximately equal to input. But for an RC low pass circuit, when RC far less than T, this is the far less than T condition. When RC far less than T, output is approximately equal to input. And the RC low pass circuit is called as an integrator when RC is far greater than T. When RC far greater than T, low pass circuit will be called as an integrator. The integrator will produce a triangular waveform from a square wave. And when RC far less than T, the high pass circuit will act as a differentiator, and the differentiator, the output, this particular differentiator output is called as spikes. Spikes are produced from the differentiator circuit. Spikes are produced from the positive spike, negative spike, positive spike, negative spike. Spikes are produced from the differentiator circuit.